Hey children, what is going on? One Republic performed tonight on The Voice season finale over here. And you got One Republic performing their song, The Love Runs Out. And I gotta tell you, this guy was a fake. He was playing the piano, then he got up and the song still continued with the piano. So basically it just meant that he wasn't really playing the piano anyway. But it was still a nice performance. There was a lot of people involved. There were girls in red dresses and stupid hair jumping around. It was pretty great. I gotta say, I really thoroughly enjoyed it. And I hope you did too. And if you made it to this point in the video, I'd like you to comment the comment code, which is going to simply be red, like the color, R-E-D. Please comment that down below. I'll give you a second. Thank you for not commenting it. But anyway, please leave a like or a dislike. It still counts as a rating. And of course, please hit subscribe, guys and girls. It only takes half a second. Please hit subscribe. Thanks. Help me get to 38,000 subscribers. Hit subscribe now!